Hi friends, I'm Brijesh Agarwal from Linen and Linens. I hope all of you are in good health and keeping safe. COVID-19 is a pandemic and world over, people have lost lives and everything has come to a standstill. Businesses, economic activities and livelihoods are affected. I would like to share a few of my thoughts relating to our business. We are a 50-year-old company. Currently, we are gearing up to take charge of this situation and move ahead. We have resumed operations with 50% workforce in our Vapi and Bangalore factories. We have been paying salaries to our workers and ensuring they are financially backed up. International markets have partially begun, although there will be reduction in sales worldwide, but opportunities will continue to be there. Linen is the most appropriate fabric in times of COVID-19 for many reasons. It is naturally antibacterial and antifungal in nature. Historically, the bodies of Egyptian pharaohs were wrapped with linen fabric which has been preserved for centuries. Back then, linen fabric was used in hospitals for bed sheets, doctors' aprons, and bandages. Hence the word hospital linen. Also, the word lingerie has been derived from linen because of its properties. It is highly breathable, has high absorption. In ancient times, ship anchor ropes were made up of linen because of it being the strongest fiber and having high wet strength. With every wash, it only gets better. Besides the fact that linen is antibacterial and antifungal, we are now taking trials for doing an antiviral chemical treatment on the fabric and we'll be introducing this in June. We use azo-free dye stuff with no lead, no metal content, and hence it's ideal for skin care. Most companies in India use ordinary dye stuff with lead content. As a result, the fabrics are not color fast and not good for the skin. Our fabrics are enzyme washed. It takes care of the shrinkage, makes fabric softer, and most important, after washing, all human touch is removed, thus making sure that the product is free from any infection. These properties make linen ideal fabric for covering your face. We are now making a coordinated collection of linen garments with matching fashion masks. We are introducing new products called wrappers and bandanas. This will be a perfect solution for practicing fashion with caution. Mainly, we shall be emphasizing on creating Sadabahar evergreen collection, wherein we shall be using natural and white linens, which would be enzyme washed, thus making them collector's item. Natural and white linen is a sign of purity, and we have always seen that these are the most preferred shades. During these times of COVID-19, we all need to take certain precautions like keeping cleanliness and hygiene, maintaining social distancing, improving our immunity, etc. Shortly, we will share a small behind the scene video of our production factories, which would show the precautions we have taken. Here's some suggestion for our retailer friends. Customers will be reluctant to enter the stores due to fear of infection. They may not wish to try the garments, not knowing who has tried them earlier. To take care of this, here's what we recommend. After every trial, the garment is to be put in an industrial tumble dryer at 100 degrees Celsius, followed by steam iron at 100 degrees Celsius. This way, the garment will be free of virus or bacteria. Hence, this needs to be done after each trial. This needs to be communicated to all the customers so that they feel safe and confident. Every garment must be sealed and packed so that the customer breaks a fresh seal and uses it, similar to what we see in electronic devices. Finally, these are unprecedented times and we are all waiting for normalcy to return. Meanwhile, take care and be safe. Thank you.